Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This vlog is a part of my Dubai trip and gives you a room tour of the hotel Rose Rayhaan by the Rotana group located at Sheikh Zayed Road, the main artery of the city. Also known as the Rose Star, it is a 72-story hotel. It was the world's tallest hotel from 2009 to 2012. The hotel also has 2 restaurants and a 24-hour coffee shop. You can choose out of 2 room facings, one towards the Sheikh Zayed Road, which we preferred, and the other towards Burj Khalifa. We stayed at the 39th floor and I would recommend you to stay above 30th floors if you want a breathtaking view. So we are on the 39th floor and this is the way towards our room. We are in room number 3907. So this is a small pantry that we have been given, and we have some chargeable refreshments kept here, and then a fridge, pretty nice one, that's all chargeable. Then we have a freezer here, a microwave, some space for storage, some coffee making unit, and this is a small sink for washing if you want to do any. So that's a cute little pantry that we have. Then we move towards the room. So this is how the room looks like, and this is the beds, a little space to sit, a TV unit, a dressing unit. Okay, let me just show you the view from the room actually. Look at that. How good does that look? So this is Sheikh Zayed Road, and these are all hotels. That's from one of the windows, and the other windows show you this view. The Sheikh Zayed Road is home to most of Dubai's skyscrapers, including the Emirates Star, with the unfortunate demise of a Bollywood actress Sridevi happened in 2018. The road has most of the red line of Dubai Metro running alongside, making commute within the city very easy and accessible. So that's it for the room tour. I hope you liked it. It's a good place. Whenever you are in Dubai, please try and be on this location. It's a fantastic place to be. The metro station is right beneath this property, and it's just near the metro station financial center, from where you take a metro to Dubai Mall, and Dubai Mall metro station is just the next metro station to financial center. So just get off at that station, and then it's a 1 kilometer indoor, quite good looking kind of a walkway which leads you through the Dubai Mall. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just sharing all of this information for your reference. This is how the area looks like at night. Those are the Emirates stars. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the Burj Khalifa visible through the creek. The area has a lot of spark even at night and has a wide range of restaurants in case you want to dine out. Yes, it was too windy.